Chemistry. The apparatus below was used in the extraction of ethanol from fermented maize grain. So this is the setup that we have. Okay, so we have the thermometer, we have fermented maize extract, and then we have the distillate. So the first question is, name the apparatus labeled Y. So the apparatus labeled Y, it is called the condenser. What improvement can be made to the above arrangement to get pure ethanol? So we can obtain pure ethanol by using fractional distillation. So fractional distillation, it has what we call a fractionating column. So we need to put a fractionating column between this flask and the condenser. That is the improvement that must be done. So that is what must be done to have the pure ethanol. Then part C, state the purpose of the cold water which passes through Y. So Y, it is the condenser. So cold water in, cold water out. So the main purpose of cold water to pass through Y, it is simply to cool the hot ethanol. So the hot ethanol, it will come there in form of the vapor. So that vapor, it will be cooled, okay, causing it to change to liquid ethanol. So that is the purpose of cold water. So the purpose of cold water, it is to cool and condense ethanol. Okay, so to cool and condense ethanol vapor. So this cold water, it causes ethanol vapor to change to liquid. Then part D, name the separation technique being used above. So here we have fermented maize extract. So that simply means that it is the production of what? Ethanol. So the production of ethanol, we use fractional distillation. So this is fractional distillation. So fractional distillation, it has a fractionating column. That is the reason why they gave us this part B question. Part E, state an industrial application for the technique shown in the diagram above. So this separation technique, which is fractional distillation, it is used to separate crude oil. To separate crude oil into different fractions. Also to separate air into different gases. So that is the industrial application.